Let me show you all Game Turbo settings that we have available on the Xiaomi 17. So let's open the Game Turbo panel. In here we have the simple boost option that allows you to immediately clear memory. We can free up storage space and we can monitor performance. So if I tap on boost over here, there we go, this is how it looks like. We can also switch from balance to the performance in case you need to get that extra performance out of your phone. So pretty cool stuff. Besides that, here we can tap on the performance settings, where we can find enhanced visuals option. So you can, for example, make the appearance of the game look more saturated, brighter, or both. Also, if we go back, we have the enhanced touch control. So as you can see, we have a couple of different touch control settings that you can go through. There we go. Over here, let's go back, and we have the network speed boost, so we can toggle Wi-Fi optimization, where we can reduce WLAN latency and jitter. And we can use a Xiaomi or Redmi router to enjoy special speed boost modes, not mods. We have, of course, this option available, but it seems that it is available only if you use like Xiaomi or Redmi internet, I guess. So probably not available for majority of the Xiaomi users. Alright, so we're gonna go back, and here we have the clear memory option, which allows you to just simply clear the memory on your phone, which might be quite helpful. We have the voice changer, where you can modify your voice if you use the microphone while playing a game. We have a timer, a shortcut to do not disturb. We can take a screenshot, we can record our gameplay. We can jump to the additional settings of the Game Turbo itself. We have the casting option. We can switch to SIM card over here, or we can just toggle Wi-Fi. We have the brightness adjustments and on-screen commentary, I believe. And let me also show you these settings. So in here we can completely toggle Game Turbo. We have in-game shortcuts, content recommendations. So if you are annoyed by it, you can turn it off. We can also uninstall games. We can add the home screen shortcut to the Game Turbo, and we can add our own games if they are not detected by the phone or by the app. Here in the performance mode, we can go to the performance mode option in order to find Wi-Fi optimization and optimized touch controls. We have the performance optimization as well, where we can avoid overheating apparently, so that's a good thing. We have memory exceptions, so you can choose apps that should be added to exceptions when clearing the memory. And we have the MI Wi-Fi speed boost, so of course we need to once again have those routers provided by Xiaomi or Redmi, as I mentioned earlier. And here we have the game D&D mode, where we can find enhanced experience option, so we have a couple of options in here. And also we have restrict buttons and gestures, which is of course active during games, while playing games. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.